products on the market even say that they can eliminate brushing altogether. But let's think about it. How effective are these claims? And are dog mouthwashes and dental water even safe to give your pup? Hey y'all, welcome back to It's Andretta. My name is Andretta. I am the founder of South Atlanta Paws, an online pet supply store company here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. I'm a guru of all things dogs, and today we're going to be talking about, do dog mouthwashes work? So, dog mouthwashes and dental water additives have recently exploded on the pet market, with products claiming to easily clean your pup's teeth and products that will freshen their breath. Lucky. Y'all, Lucky's gonna be lucky. She's a lucky girl. Ain't that right? Some of these products on the market even say that they can eliminate brushing altogether. But let's think about it. How effective are these claims? And are dog mouthwashes and dental water even safe to give your pup? So today I'm gonna dive deep into the benefits of dog mouthwashes. So this is how it works. Dog mouthwashes and dental additives, they claim to use ingredients that will break down, tartar, and eliminate the bad breath. And technically they do to some extent. These type of products are going to work in a few ways. Bacteria that's living in the mouth is going to create a coating on your pet's teeth that's called biofilm. Some of the ingredients in these products will break down the biofilm, while other ingredients are meant to kill the bacteria themselves. So are they safe? Yes. Dog mouthwashes and water additives are usually safe. Always note that pet parents like yourself and myself should always check the label to make sure they're free of xylitol and birch sugars, which are toxic for dogs. I also highly encourage you to research mouthwashes that have been accepted by the veterinary oral health clinic. These products should not have side effects. Just be sure to choose a VOHC approved product. There are many unapproved products that are on the market, which have not been studied or scrutinized to make sure that they are effective. Any approved products will have the VOHC seal on the back of the label. Now, are dog mouthwashes so effective that you can skip brushing? These are things that you always have to consult with your veterinarian, but know that dog mouthwashes are not to be used in place of, but in addition to the overall dental health care plan that you have your dog on. Dog mouthwashes can't effectively replace altogether the benefits of brushing your dog's teeth or even dog dental chews. Now, let's talk about the different type of mouthwashes. What type of dental additive that you choose is all going to come down to what your dog's specific needs are and your daily habits. If you like to take a broader approach and target other wellness issues and put it all in one bowl, some dog mouthwashes have entire brands or product lines that are dedicated to just those health issues. For example, Tropi Clean, which is in no way sponsoring this video, have a variety of formulas that are designed to help your dog's hip and joint health. They have products that promote shiny skin and coats, and they also offer some that have digestive support. There are even mouthwashes for puppies and advanced teeth whitening. You have a picky pup or ones that have a snout, you want to choose mouthwashes that are free of odor and taste, like the Detra Vetrident water additive. I've heard a lot of pet parents say that they don't even notice it in their dog's water bowl, which means that they are very happy with the results. Now, the dental water additive helps maintain the pH balance in your dog's mouth, and it reduces the bacteria that's going to cause the plaque and tartar. So let's put it all together. Do dog mouthwashes and dental water additives work? The answer is yes. When added to your dog's healthcare plan, dog mouthwashes and dental water additives can help keep your dog's teeth clean and their breath smelling fresh. In particular, they're really great for aiding in your brushing routine at night, taking your dog's dental health care to the next level, freshening their breath by keeping the bacteria at bay, and even more so, helping keep an interim option when pups can't brush. Just know that dog mouthwashes aren't a cure or a replacement for brushing or regular vet visits. Alternatives that can help boost your brushing routine, including quality dental chews and rubber dental toys. Thank you guys so much for joining in with me. I hope this answered the question if you should choose a dental water additive for your dog. I'm going to link all the dental mouthwashes that I talked about today in the description box below. Let me know in the comments if you tried them and what you think. All right, I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.